guys, it's Kelsey. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Gunnar decided to join us. So I guess first off, I just wanted to say welcome back, and I'm glad to be back, I guess. I apologize that it has been a while since I uploaded on this channel. That is something that I actually wanted to kind of start this video off by talking about. Basically, I just wanted to explain to you guys that I think I need to change up my upload schedule. As you guys could probably tell from the last couple weeks, I haven't really been meeting that schedule that I set for myself lately because realistically it just isn't really the best schedule for my life right now. I'm in full-time classes, I have a job, trying to do this on the side. It is kind of a lot on my plate right now. And I feel like the last couple months I have just been focusing on quantity over quality. And that's really the opposite of what I want to do on this channel. I really want to be proud of my videos and put out quality content for you guys. I think I just need to take a step back from the schedule and just really focus again on the content that I'm making and just really be proud of what I'm uploading and giving to you guys. Because right now there's some videos that I just want to delete because I feel like I just really rushed them and posted them just to have something to post on Sunday and wasn't really necessarily proud of them or would have really wanted anyone to watch them, if that makes sense. So I think we need to go back to making content that I'm excited for you guys to see. Basically, just for the next couple months, I think I am going to focus on just making the best videos that I can for you guys and not rushing to put them out before they're ready. So yeah, I might not have a video up every single week for the next couple months just while school finishes, but the videos that I do post are videos that I'm going to be proud of, and that kind of goes along with this new series that I'm starting on my channel, which is a series that I've been wanting to do on my channel for quite some time, but I just felt like it never really fit into my weekly upload schedule. I never really had enough time to put into it that I really felt like it deserved. So we're going to be focusing on more videos like this, and I think it's going to be better for the both of us. So I'm really excited for that. I think maybe once summer rolls around, I will be able to come into a better schedule where you guys kind of will know what to expect from me. But for now, just put on my post notifications. Follow me on Instagram if you guys are wondering when the heck I'm going to be uploading. I always post my Instagram stories. Okay, so now let's jump into explaining what this series is going to be on my channel. So we were going to be doing a kind of home transformation, renovation type series. So we were going to be transforming 3 rooms in my house, which are kind of like our main areas. We have the bedroom, the office, and the closet. Now this is going to be kind of a long work in progress. Doing these types of things is a lot of work, and it is really not cheap. It's not cheap to do 1 room, let alone 3 at a time. So it's just going to be kind of a slow process. That's why I'm going to be doing kind of some more videos like this style that are a little bit more vlog, kind of just showing you the little steps that we make each week. And then at the very end, I'm going to do 3 different videos, you know, an entire wrap up of our bedroom transformation, a entire before and after wrap up of the office transformation, and the closet transformation. So you'll see all the behind the scenes in these kind of, I'm hoping to be pretty frequent uploads of more vlog style and taking you guys along of the process. And then at the very end, you will see, you know, the beautiful final reveal. So the first room that we're going to be looking at is the office. So this is what the office looked like before. I actually went on the IKEA home planner and did like the whole dimensions of our office, because that is what I originally did when we got our old desks for this room, and this is what I'm going to be doing for our new desk layout. So I'll show you what our office used to look like in the IKEA planner and then what we are aiming for in the IKEA planner. So this is what that looks like. And this will be the after. As you can tell, it's a lot more simplified and less cluttered. I couldn't make the exact setup in the planner, but if you look at the long desk, the tabletop will be sitting on the 3 sets of drawers, so we won't have any table legs on the end. and the mirror is also just a placeholder to represent a different mirror that I have my eyes on. But basically the right side of the desk will be my vanity area and the left side will have my computer. And before you say anything, Jaden wanted the smaller desk that will actually be a little bit larger than his current desk, so we are all very, very happy. Overall, what I'm looking to do with all of the spaces is just to simplify everything, not have as much to look at and kind of just clutter your mind. I feel like when there's, more things tucked away inside boxes where you can't see everything, it's just less of a distraction and you can focus more on like what you're actually trying to do that day. The office is obviously going to be the biggest thing that we'll be tackling first because we are making a big order from IKEA and getting new desks and new storage situations for the closet in here. And yeah, so let me just show you what we've done with the office so far. And the next room we can move over to is the closet. Our closet is a very cool tone paint. I think it is considered like a shade of white, but it's like a very blue white. And I don't really like those like cool tones. It feels like really overcast and kind of sad to me. I like things to be like more bright and neutral, and if anything, maybe a little bit on the warmer side. So I would ideally like to paint the closet more of just a flat white. And then I'm also wanting to change our mirror. I really do like the mirror in our closet. I think it's the perfect size for the space. I really like the molding. I just don't like the fact that it's silver. I've always been a gold gal, so I'm thinking that I'm going to change the mirror to gold myself. I bought some gold leafing products to kind of DIY the mirror into a gold mirror. So yeah, stay tuned for that in the next video. I think I'll be tackling that soon, but I think that will be a really nice change. And then the paint might be further down the line. I feel like that might be a bigger project just because it's such a strangely shaped room. We would have to empty out the whole thing, and like it's just really awkward to paint. So I don't think that'll be, on the first on our list, but that's going to be kind of one of the things that I am keeping in mind when I'm changing the mirror and stuff, because otherwise the gold mirror against like the really cool tone paint, it just wouldn't really flow well together. So just so you know that will be kind of like the process that we're aiming towards. It'll kind of all flow more naturally once we get that in place. We did take some things out of the office and move them into the closet, like this storage unit, and the lights that were originally on my desk, they were kind of surrounding the back end of my desk and like shining on the wall. We actually moved those into the closet, and I think that was a really, really good move. So we hung those up on the ceiling here. It was kind of a bit of a journey. I didn't really know exactly the right place to hang them in the closet, but I think that this was the best solution, and I'm really, really happy with how that turned out.
Yeah, it makes you're like, damn, I got all these clothes.
These clothes?
Yeah.
Now let's go ahead and take a look at our bedroom. So we actually have a pretty small bedroom, but we've been making it work so far. I think now it's just time to make it feel a little bit more functional and cohesive. Lately, it's just kind of been the odds and ends left over in the house, and I think it's time to kind of make it more of a styled space and less of a storage room for all of our leftovers. I feel like my style has shifted in the last couple years. Maybe I'll put some pictures on the screen here just to give you a bit of an idea. I used to like, having a lot more like little things and like this more artistic vibe with these little trinkets everywhere. Now I just feel like it is a little bit cluttered and overwhelming, and I am just moving a little bit more onto this style of home decor where things are just a little bit more calming and less anxiety inducing and not as much to look at and stress over and be distracted by and all of that. The closet area in our bedroom, I have had plans to put a bookcase in there. I have it picked out. It fits perfectly in that whole opening for the closet, but I just haven't been able to make the purchase yet because it is pricey. It's not even like crazy expensive as far as furniture goes, but it's just like one of those things that I've been like putting off and putting off and putting off. So I'm hoping to do that later in the summer. But for now, I think first on my list is to get nightstands. Right now we just have like kind of this smaller dresser situation that we use as one nightstand. Really not cutting it anymore. I would really, really like to have 2 nightstands on either side of the bed. So that's going to be a purchase that I'll probably be making sooner than later. I found some pretty inexpensive ones that I really like the look of. So that'll probably be coming in the next month or so. And then just kind of restyling it to be, a little bit more minimalistic. We want to add some of the plants. I have all of the plants in the office right now. I don't intend on keeping every single one of them in here. It's kind of like a jungle right now. But that's where we have our plant lights currently. So I will be moving some into the bedroom as well. Just kind of like livening up the space, maybe adding some more lighting, keeping it a little bit more fresh. I feel like that's really important, especially since we live in a basement. We don't get really much of any sunlight down here. So plants, brightness, lights, really important for mental health, really. Started off by taking all of the pictures off the wall, and I'm gonna have to fill all of those holes as well and repaint, but that's totally fine. I might end up adding a couple pictures just to make it look, a little bit more styled and not like we just moved in, but I'm already really, really happy with the change. I feel like it's just more calming when I lay in bed at night and watch TV. It's not like as much going on. And then I also hung up a mirror in our bedroom as well, which kind of just brings in some more light, and I do really, really like the mirror. I feel like it helps to brighten up the space, and I have just been lacking a mirror in this space for quite some time, so I think that is a really, really nice addition. I actually found this mirror on the Facebook Marketplace for $60 when I was selling some of the furniture we were getting rid of. So that was a really good find, out with the old in with the new kind of thing. So yeah, really excited about that purchase. Okay, so that's about where we're at currently in this moment, but we did just place our IKEA order, and that is set to come on the 17th, and I'm really, really excited about that. So you will see all of that good stuff within time. As well, in the next video, you will probably see me fill in all of the holes in the wall, repaint, gold leaf the mirror, put together all the IKEA furniture, probably move our bed over and like put a temporary nightstand situation just to like make sure the double nightstand really flows nicely in the room. There's going to be a lot of changes, a lot of reorganization, if you will. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope you guys like this series on my channel. I'm sorry that it's not all at once, this huge transformation, because it's not cheap, guys. It's not cheap. We don't have that like million subscriber budget right now, so just be patient with me. But I'm really excited. I think it'll be worth it, and I'm excited to take you guys along on the ride with me. We're gonna try to do some budget friendly things. I might do some more DIYs. I have some ideas as far as some pottery and vases and type of decor that I want, that I'm just trying to, you know, make the look for less kind of thing happen. So we will see, because your girl has really expensive taste and a small budget. I will see you guys again very shortly. There'll probably be some other videos in between these home decor videos. These aren't going to be like the only videos on my channel now. I have some other ideas that I want to do soon, so you'll see those as well. If you want to know when I'm going to be posting my next video, turn my post notifications on. Follow me on Instagram because I will keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for supporting me along this whole journey on this channel. I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Are you still there? To delete this message, press 7. To save it in the archives, press 9. To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?